Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, welcome back to our online class. So now we are on part 4. Okay, so in this topic, so we will cover on equivalent circuit of induction machine. So basically the circuit of the induction machine is similar to the circuit of transformer, which is we have the primary and then we have the secondary part. So for the equivalent circuit, we refer to the IEEE standard equivalent circuit for the induction machine. Okay, to derive the equivalent circuit based on IEEE standard, so we need to consider three things here, which is even though the circuit is based on three-phase equivalent circuit, however, for the equivalent circuit, we need to use per phase equivalent circuit, which is only analysis is only based on per phase equivalent circuit, even though there are three phase induction motor. Okay, number two is okay, the equivalent circuit always based on the Y connection. Okay, even though the actual connection is delta, so the analysis or derivation is based on the Y connected. Okay, then induction number three is induction machine equivalent circuit is very similar to the single phase equivalent circuit of transformer. It is consists of the stator circuit and rotor circuit. Okay. Okay, for step one, which is rotor winding is open. So this one. Okay. So we open this one. So it means that the frequency E2 frequency here is equal to the frequency here, since the rotor is at a standstill. So standstill means S equal to 1, which is rotor is not moving. Rotor is not moving. So motor tu dalam keadaan bergunah, tak berpusing. Okay, so step number 1. So then step number 2, we short circuit the rotor circuit. Ni kita short circuit. Okay. So when we short winding of the rotor, frequency E2 here is equal to FR. So rotor frequency. So it means that FR equal to SF. Okay. So this one is F1. F1 is supply frequency. Okay. So frequency and the rotor is equal to FR. So FR equal to SF. Okay. Then step yang ketiga, so we need to eliminate this one, F2, because frequency at the stator and the frequency at the rotor is different, so we need to eliminate. 4, refer to the stator side. So refer to the stator side mean that refer to primary. So all the parameter at the rotor move to the stator circuit side. Okay. So in the transformer, we refer to the primary. So if refer to the primary means all the secondary side are moving to the primary side. Okay, same like in the induction machine. So all the element at the rotor here, all the element here are moving to the stator. So that's why we have the X2 prime and also I2 prime and R2 prime. Okay, however, in the induction machine analysis, we are not considered because we assume that the value of referring is equal to the actual. X2 prime and R2 prime will be given or measured. So it is will given. Okay. In practice, we don't have to calculate them from above equation. For simplicity of this course, RR prime is assumed equal to the RR. Okay, the same goes to IR. So IR equal to IR prime. So referring parameter for the induction machine analysis are not considered. So at the end kita akan dapat circuit macam ni lah. Okay. So we have V1, I1, R1, X1. Yang ni bahagian winding, stator winding. Okay, yang ni adalah core. Okay, yang ni adalah bahagian rotor lah, X2, I2, R2 prime. Okay. Okay, so for the for induction machine, so kita tak ada element of RC. Okay, bahagian core. Okay, kita omit. So the core loss is lumped with the rotational loss. So we consider RC ni dalam proses yang berlaku disebabkan oleh rotational loss lah. Nanti detail kita akan lihat dalam power flow diagram lah. Okay, core loss. And so this is the equivalent circuit for induction machine. So we have V1, I1, XS, RS, SM, RS, S refer to the stator. So this one is stator. XR refer to the rotor. RR. Okay, RR 1 minus S over S. So if you refer to the previous one, so ini bahagian ni dia adalah R2 over S. Okay, ataupun R2 ni adalah bahagian rotor lah, ataupun RR over S. So actually kita boleh pecahkan bahagian ni kepada dua bahagian lah. Okay, at the end dia akan jadi macam ni. Okay, RR prime dan juga RR prime 1 minus S over S. So kenapa kita pecahkan dia kepada dua bahagian ni, bahagian 1 dan bahagian 2? Okay, supaya kita boleh kira nanti mechanical power nanti. Nanti kita akan lihat dalam power flow diagram macam mana nak kira PM lah. So untuk kira PM kita kena ada elemen ni. Elemen yang ni lah, RR 1 minus S over S. Okay, thank you. So kita sambung dalam video yang akan datang, part 5.